Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Max subscription, formerly known as HBO Max, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to max.com. Log into your Max account using your email address and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page, then select Account or Subscription from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Billing Information or Subscription section where you can view your current plan details. Step 4. Look for an option labeled Cancel Subscription or Manage Subscription and click on it. Step 5. Max may ask you why you're cancelling. Select a reason from the drop-down menu or skip this step if it's optional. Step 6. Review the cancellation information, including when your access will end. You'll typically have access until the end of your current billing period. Step 7. Click the final Cancel Subscription or Confirm Cancellation button to complete the process. Step 8. Check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Max. Save this email as proof of cancellation in case you encounter any billing issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.